Hello everyone, this is Toluanimi Olaleye. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today we are going to be solving an expression in Surds. This is a Surdic expression and we are asked to evaluate this, that is, to further simplify or break it down. We are given a list of possible options from A to D, and we are asked to choose the correct option. So, whenever we want to solve any expression in maths, what we do is first analyze the question, read it out to ourselves to make sure we understand it. 2 root 28 minus 3 root 50 plus root 72. It is very important to note that these swords are not in their basic forms. Why? Because they are still big. We have to simplify them or break them down further. Okay, so solution. Let's write out the question first. 2 root 28 minus 3 root 50 plus root 72. Okay, that is root 28 has to be broken down further. And what we do is we try if we can divide a surd by 2 first. Then if it's not working, we divide it by 3, divide it by 4, 5 and so on. But for 28, it can be divided by 2. So when we divide 28 by 2, what it gives us is 14. But 14 is not a perfect square. We have to look for something that is a perfect square, and that is 4. When we divide it by 4, it gives us 7. So we can now say root 28 is what? 4 times 7 minus 3 roots. Also, we have to break root 50 down to the simplest form. Root 50 can divide by 2, so it gives us 25 times 2. We use numbers that are perfect squares, okay? Plus, also, root 72 can be broken down into 2. That is, can be simplified. It can be divided by 2. So that gives us 36 times 2. Okay. So that is equal to 2 roots. We have to separate the surds. Now, 2 root 4 times root 7 minus 3 root 25 times root 2 plus root 36 times root 2. I hope you're following. Okay, so 2, obviously, root 4 is 2 because 4 is a perfect square. That gives us 2 times 2 root 7 because root 7 is not a perfect square, so it remains as a surd. Minus 3 root 25 is 5 times 5 root 2 because root 2 is not a perfect square. Why? 25 is a perfect square. That gives us 5, okay? Plus 36 is a perfect square, and square root of 36 gives us 6 root 2. Okay, let's move further. This gives us 2 times 2 root 7. Since 2 does not have a surd, we can still, this is not addition, this is not subtraction, so we can still say 2 times 2 root 7 plus 3 times 5 root 2 plus 6 root 2. I hope we are following and we are understanding. Okay, let's move on. That is equal to 4 root 7 plus 3 times 5 gives us 15 root 2 plus 6 root 2. Okay, so let's collect like already. I've collected like times already because 15 and 6 have similar, they are similar sorts. Why? Because they contain root 2 and root 2. Why 7 is not a similar sort with them? Because it contains root 7. Okay, so that gives us 4 root 7 plus 15 plus 6 root 2. Root 2 is common there, so we bring it out. Okay, and that gives us 4 root 7 plus 21 root 2. And that is option A. I hope you understand. Follow for more videos. Thank you.